Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So as we could see, just as last night's video, guys, we catching up as we expected to do. Like I told you guys, AMC got a lot of catching up to do today, so it possibly will move a little superior over the overall market, meaning it will move, a lot quicker than it did yesterday, because we seen without a doubt that yesterday we was being further manipulated as the overall market was trending up, just as it was the day before. And the day before that day, AMC has been lagging behind, sometimes even falling off the cliff, coming back even lower as it did on yesterday, guys. We knew that wasn't ethical, and we had to do some catching up eventually, especially if the market kept soaring like we expected it to, and exactly like it's doing, because everyone should be prepared regardless of what's going on in the economy, what's going on in the market. I told you guys, prepare for things like this, basically a little bull market inside of a bearish market for a short period of time, guys. So a lot of people didn't expect this, but if you got any type of common sense, any type of knowledge, experience, you should definitely be aware of things like this to happen. Being for the fact that the market was so cheap, dirt cheap, millionaires, billionaires, retail investors loading up, regardless of what's going on, they're going to buy those prices that we previously had on last week, the week before, being for the fact that they don't want to risk it. Like, man, what if I never see this price again? Let me go ahead and buy now. And if the market economy is doing, even worse, and they want to come down cheaper, I'm be able to get this quality company for even a lesser price. So you already know, guys, people was taking full advantage, and I hope you was doing the same. We've been calling out bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers in the VIP, almost every play, not trying to jinx myself, but for almost every play we've been calling out has been making money, guys. So we had some hate on Carvana again, guys. Like I say, man, you can either hate or you could get paid, but Carvana, you could tell the potential that it has, because as an overall, it was kind of superior of the overall market the past few days, running a bit higher in percentage gain. And this morning it panicked, came all the way back, took all my gains from yesterday, right? I ended it closed at around $500 in profit. I watched all, because we go back to my previous videos, I said that they would be bullish, we would continue a hard uptrend, the market will push up hard, but we could see a quick little pullback, taking out some stop losses early in the morning, so people won't get their gains from yesterday taken, so they could still be in the profits. So anyways, I let Carvana do what it do. I watched $500 in profits drop down to, like, negative $40 in a matter of minutes. And then all of a sudden, in a matter of minutes, I end up gaining, and I sold a position. Let you guys know, I'm a lock-in profit king. You gotta lock in profits. It means nothing in this market if you just seeing the money in, and you seeing the position go up, but you never locking it in. It don't mean nothing until you lock it in. Because if I seen this $660 profit, right, and then the market want to reverse and go back down, and you lose all that, I mean, it's nothing. It ain't nothing. You did nothing. You just got in the stock, watched it go up, and watched it come back down. The real skills, the real professionalism, the real good stuff come in whenever you lock in profits and whenever you cut losses quickly. That's the real key right there, guys. Lock it in. Remember that. You feel me? People ain't gonna tell you the real keys, and make sure you jot them down. You write down certain stuff, because a lot of people be wondering, hey man, quick story short, guy, why you make people pay for information if you so good at it, or if you helping people? Yes, it's because if you was to help every single body, hell, I ain't gonna have time to make money myself. And then it's like, people don't really listen or pay attention until they have to pay for something. And if you pay attention, some people will learn all this stuff from me from day one, from just watching every single video and nitpicking, taking the good stuff out and coming up with their own unique self. And then they ain't have to pay for nothing. But the people that don't believe you until they see the Lambos, the mansions, and all that, then they run into you, hey cuz, teach me how to do that, teach me how to do this, teach me how to do that. And now it's gonna cost you. I'm gonna charge you and everybody else. It's gonna cost you, and all the information, and I ain't gonna tell you nothing, but all the information I've been telling you from day one, all the videos, everything combined, that's all the thing you're gonna be getting on. You know what I mean? That's the only thing you're gonna find out. You get what I'm saying? So you buy information that's already out here for free. You get what I'm saying? And that ain't gonna knock me off my grind, because it's still gonna be people in the bunch that want the information, and it's out here for free. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and continue though. I just like to throw little stuff in there like that, let you guys know exactly, how to maneuver and how to think things clearly. Because this market ain't hard unless you make it hard, guys. So let's go and take a look at what's going on. AMC, like we know, guys, I told you guys AMC would catch back up today. We came up, hit that resistance at around, well, not resistance, but we ran up to around 12.50. Now the market trying to pull back a bit. We got that major resistance at $12.77. Hit break above that, we could run to the 13s, guys. So the market is shocking and surprising a lot of people today. The shorts is in trouble, guys, just for short-term reasons, but they will cover in a mini little bull market like this, being for the fact that they don't know how high this thing could go. This thing could shoot all the way back to, you know, I ain't saying it is, but it could shoot all the way up to levels you wouldn't even believe, just how it came down to levels you wouldn't believe during these times like this, just to come right back down. So it's a lot of money to be made, and I'm definitely getting mine, guys. I hope you getting yours. So as we know, man, Carvana was a banger. We made $660, up 42% on that play. Also, we had another play, Snapchat. We made what, $255. That's another $300. That's over 68%. Investing in indexes will take you good 6-7 years to make a return like that, and this just off $630 now. For the ones in the back that think you need bukus of money, whenever you're doing options, you want to play, you know, a bit smaller, guys, being for the fact that it's way more riskier. The smaller the bet, the minimize the risk, and the greater opportunity for you to make profits. Because me, judging by my experience, every time I aim small, I always end up hitting. As soon as I go big, I always end up missing. Hope it makes sense now. Make it make sense, because I'm giving you the game. I'm giving it to you. But when you come here a year later, months later, haze up millions, hey, teach me all that stuff, man. Hey, it's gonna cost you, boss. It's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you. But anyways, though, guys, anyways, though, man, the day is a beautiful day right now. And I'm done with this video because I got to get back to the market and see what type of opportunities out there. You already know what to do, man. Get in VIP, add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.